So here we are. We'll now start our personal website. We'll begin by generating a React app with create React app command, and then we will migrate to TypeScript. Why TypeScript? Because it has a lot of advantages over the classical JavaScript. If you don't know what TypeScript is, it's just the same JavaScript, but it's a typed language, so you have to specify what types of data you get in a function and what type of data you are returning from the function. That is very advantageous when you work with lots of people at the same project, and when the project that you are building is big. It's good because TypeScript keeps you out of errors when it comes to data, and moreover, everyone uses it nowadays. So everywhere you will go, you will have a high advantage if you already know TypeScript. We'll just install TypeScript package in our React app, and it will be able to understand TypeScript files. Alright, so let's start with create React app. We'll call our React app personal website. I'm going to skip this until it's installed. Alright, cool, it's done. Now we're just gonna jump in right in our folder. Open. It's on the desktop, personal website. Great. Now we're gonna delete all the files that we don't need. So first of all, yeah, we don't need this. Oops, sorry. We'll move this file in another folder later. So we'll delete this as well, logo as well. That's enough, okay. So alright, you see now the files are with the JS. We'll install TypeScript, and after that we will change these to .ts or .tsx respectively. Let's open the terminal and install TypeScript. Come on. We'll go ahead and write yarn add TypeScript and add types /react and add types /react DOM. -d because we're gonna install it as a dev dependency. So the add types packages are packages that help facilitate the typing. So TypeScript might ask some typing from React or React DOM, and it will show errors, and because of that, React gives us the typing of the React functions. So just enter. So you can really think of add types /react as an interface that basically defines that React function X gets as a param this thing and returns this thing. React function Y gets this thing and returns this thing, and so on. There's no problem if you didn't get that the first time. For now, you just need to know that we need these add types packages so that TypeScript can get along with React. Great, now we'll need a file that will serve as a configuration file for our TypeScript. It is called tsconfig. It's a standard name, and there's tsconfig config.json. Okay, and I'm just going to paste a configuration file that I have used for different projects. You can find this configuration on Google. Just type testconfig.json and you'll find they're all the same basically. And what we need to change here is here we need to write React JS6. If you don't do that, it will show you errors in your TSX files, but it will tell you that it needs that, so it's not a problem if you forget about this. This is just some configuration that we don't need to go through, but if you ever need that TypeScript to do something or to stop doing something, you can change that from here. And now just to verify something, press Command or Control Shift P and invite a version or select TypeScript version, something along these lines. And you would find this, press enter, and it should be set to use workspace from node modules. It might happen that your VS Code will use an older version of TypeScript and it will not work with TypeScript 17 version. So just verify this, and so we can move forward. Select the node modules version and we're good to go. Now we want to change the index file to index.tsx, and from now on we are going to make our files .ts or .tsx, and you will see how I'm making the typing along the way. Right. .tsx and we're gonna make this also tsx for now. Great.